A very good morning to you, my dear boys. How are you all? I hope all of you are very well by the grace of Almighty. So today I am back to you with the same topic. Boys, I hope all of you have learned all the exercises and rules on articles, and as you have not asked any question in the comment section, I think you have no problem in articles. Okay, so today I think I am going to complete the all the rules and exercises on articles, and from our next class we are going to start a new topic from the syllabus. So boys, get ready for the class. Today I am going to give you some solution of your previous HW, and also I am going to give you some new HW. Okay, so take out your copy in which copy you have written previous HW. Okay boys, so get ready for the class and take out your necessary accessories. And boys, I am going to give you the solution and also explain the previous HW, because I think if I just simply give you the answers, then you may have or you may face some problem. That's why I have decided that I am going to explain the rules and I am going to explain the HW. Okay boys, so these are the answer of your previous HW. In number 1 I have written the answer like, there is a monkey in the garden, the monkey is looking for food. You can see in the first answer I have written a, and second answer I have written the. I am talking about the monkey for the first time, that's why I have written here a, and as I am talking about the monkey again, that means for the second time I have used here the. Okay, then number 2, we could see the stars very clearly in the hills. Boys, you know stars are fixed and particular things in the world, that's why you have to use the. We know before a particular thing we use the. Okay, then number 3, Jasmine went to an island in the Indian Ocean to study the plants there. So boys, here you can see this is island. Island starts with the vowel sound I, that's why I have used here an. Okay, and the Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is a particular thing, that's why I have used here the. And according to the rules of articles, you know before the names of ocean we use the. Okay, I already gave the rules to you, so please learn them very well. Okay boys, then number 4, mother was reading the Hindustan Times when I left for school. So you can see Hindustan Times. Hindustan Times means a newspaper, so we know before the name of a newspaper we use the. Okay, so there will be the answer the. Those who have written all the correct answers, many congratulations to you. Okay boys, and those who have not written the correct answer, please try to write it. Okay, and if you face any problem in understanding, please knock me. Then your answer of HW2, fill in the blanks with a or an. This is, I have taken this from your textbook. Okay, here number 1, answer of number 1 is a European. Number 2, a kite. 3, a lamp. 4, a clock. 5, an insect, as there is a vowel I. Okay, then an igloo, vowel I. Then a one-way street. So you know, where though there is a vowel like o, but the pronunciation is like one. So when the pronunciation is like one, wa, we have to use a instead of an. Okay, then an adult panda. So adult begins with the vowel sound a, that's why you have to use here an. Okay, now number 9, an aeroplane. So boys, aeroplane starts with the vowel sound a, that's why you have to use here an. Okay, then number 10, an octopus. So octopus starts with the vowel sound o, that's why I have used here an. Then an iceberg, you know ice, I starts with the vowel sound, that's why I have used here an. And English breakfast, so English starts with the vowel sound e, that's why you have to use here an. Then number 13, an hour. So you know about the mute h, so the pronunciation is like hour. I have skipped the letter h, that's why I have used here an. Okay, then a guitar, there is a consonant sound g. Then an encyclopedia, so there is a vowel sound e. that's why I have used here an. Then number 16, a house. So you know there is a consonant sound H. Then number 17, an exercise bike. So exercise starts with the vowel sound E, that's why you have to use here n. So boys, please match all of the answers and try to mark it with a red pen. Okay boys, if you have written all the correct answer, try to mark it with a right mark, that means tick mark. And if you have written the wrong answer, try to write or draw a cross sign and write the correct answer beside the answer. Okay, then there is a worksheet on articles. I am going to tell you the answers. Okay, number 1 is the plates are on the dining table. So there will be the answer the. Okay, as there is plural, you know, before plural noun we use the. Okay, and the plates are on the dining table, that indicates the particular plates. Okay, then I want a burger. Here burger is not fixed actually. Which burger do you want? Do you want beef burger, chicken burger? Nothing is written here, that's why this is not a particular burger or particular thing, that's why you have to go for a or an. Okay, so when there is a consonant, you know, you have to use a. Then number 3, there is an orange on the table. So orange starts with the vowel sound O, you have to use here n. Okay, then dash students are welcoming the chief guest. So here there is a plural noun students. You know, before plural noun we have to use the. So the students are welcoming the chief guest, and here you can also see that the students are particular persons. Okay, then number 5, he is in a rush. Okay, so you can see this is not a particular thing, this is like a phrase, like he is in a hurry. Okay, there is another sentence like he is in a rush. So you have to use a here as there is a consonant sound. Okay, then number 6, I have got dash plan for that. I have got a plan for that. Then number there is P as consonant sound, you have to use here a. Then number 7, she is always smiling and kind to dash students. Again, there is I am talking about the students, particular students, and students are plural, that's why you have to use here the. Okay, she is always smiling and kind to the students. Then number 8, our teacher is dash important person in everyone's life. So yeah, here the word important starts with the vowel sound I, that's why you have to use here n. Okay, then number 9, he is dash best in his subject. You know, before a superlative degree you have to use the. Okay, so best is the superlative degree, that's why you have to use here the. Then number 10, there was dash lot of fun while playing cricket. So there was a lot of fun while playing cricket. So here is L starts with like consonant sound, that's why you have to use a. And lot of fun doesn't actually mean any particular thing, that this is a thing in general, that means indefinite thing, that's why you have to use a here. And a is also for the consonant sound L. Okay boys, I hope I am clear to you and I am giving all the answers and explanation for your better understanding. Okay boys, please try to write all the answers in your copy. Okay, and try to use some another color pens like red or blue. Okay, so this is the answer of worksheet. I have already told the answer, so no need of this. Now this is HW for you. This is the last HW on articles. I hope you are going to do it. Okay boys, so those answers I have already given. You have to write those answers and you have to write these full sentences. Okay, write full sentences in your CW copy and then write the answers. Okay, then here is written, complete the following sentences using appropriate articles. So you have to use here a, an or the. Okay, in number 1, India is dash large country. Number 2, she is dash hour late. I'm not going to say you the answer because I have given lots of answers, lots of explanation. So it's your duty to do it by yourself. If you can do all of the answers, then you may become sure that you have learned the articles very well. Okay, then number 3, I have dash 1 rupee note. Number 4, he is dash European. Number 5, once there was a dash king. Number 6, we arrived on 4th of July. Number 7, I go to Jaipur once dash year. There is a mistake in the spelling. Wait. So I go to Jaipur once dash year. Then number 8, Sri Lanka is dash island. Number 9, boys don't pronunciate it like Iceland. This is island. Okay. Then number 9, I am dash tallest boy. Number 10, I met a girl in the store. Dash the girl was beautiful. Number 11, this book has won dash Booker Prize. Booker Prize is one kind of prize for the best book. Okay. Then number 12, there is dash institution for dash blind in the city. Then number 13, I think dash woman over there is famous actress. Number 14, I was in dash Japanese restaurant. Dash restaurant served good food. Number 15, they usually spend their holidays in dash mountains. Number 16, I would like dash piece of cake. Number 17, are you attending dash reception today? Number 18, she wants to become dash engineer. Number 19, it is dash absurd story. Number 20, I want to eat this dash apple. Sorry, the sentence will be I want to eat dash red apple. So these are the HW for you boys. I hope you are going to do it by yourself, and please don't take any help from any other source. And before doing this HW, I would like to request you, please try to read the rules again so that you can do this HW by yourself. Okay boys, be serious, try to read and write by yourself. Okay, don't try to take any help from your parents, and if you have any problem in understanding any meaning, you can just use the dictionary. Okay, so boys, take care and stay safe and wait for my next class. I hope you don't have any problem in articles, and still now I'm requesting you, please, if you have any problem, please ask me in the comment section. Okay, and if you don't ask me, if you don't say that you have no problem, then if you will do any mistake in the exam, then I will be very angry to you. Okay, so boys, take good preparation and try to read and try to learn well. Thank you very much for watching my class, and thank you very much for uploading the HW. You are very sincere. I love you and I like all of you very much. Thank you very much.